Hi guys, it's your girl Emery back with another video, and I have to go really fast because I don't think I have that much space or whatever. And so I got one slime didn't come in the container broke. 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes, and I got some extras. I'll show you that at the end of the video. Got a lot of extras. Okay, so first off, I want to start with this slime since it's out of the container. It's very hard. This is supposed to be my clear glue purple slime. I don't know if you can see that. And it got glitter, but it just breaks. So, I'm not very happy about that. Next slime I'm going to start with is my blue ocean water foam slime. Okay. The container broke. I guess it was rough to handle. Okay. So, since